welcome to my vlog. I need to pick up the kids. I forgot to remove my jacket. Anyway, how are you all today? Look at the sun. The sun. Between two buildings, there the sun. Yeah, tutik-puto with the sun. See, I forgot to remove my jacket. It's hot also. But the wind is cold. The sun is so bright in sunny, but the wind is very cold. I need to pick up the kids. See. My face is all red. See, all red. Anyway guys, if you like my video, don't forget to click like, heart, leave a comment or suggestion, and of course, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Happy Tuesday everyone. Bye.